Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ray Cray Farms and Cray Travels. When we're not farming or working, we're out and about chasing adventures, taking in views, and making every moment count. Grab your passport, pick your sense of wonder, and join us on one of our unforgettable journeys, filled with cray cray fun as we travel and explore. Welcome to our little adventure at the Blouberg Nature Reserve. In the heart of South Africa's Limpopo province lies a land of wonder and natural splendor, the Blouberg Nature Reserve. It spans over 9,360 hectares, and it is a mosaic of savannas, riverines, forests, and trees. The reserve is currently managed and administered by the Limpopo Provincial Government Department of Economic Development, Environment and Tourism. Bookings can be made on their website. This park is an ideal stopover for travelers heading to the Tuli Block in Botswana, the Mapungubwe National Park on the Zimbabwean border, or the northern part of the Kruger National Park. However, it's also worth visiting in its own right for its own natural beauty and wildlife. This is what we did. We camped in the park for 3 days. We got to the park in the late afternoon and headed to our campsite. We had booked at the Molope campsite and we chose camp number 3. Once we had set up and pitched our tent, we of course got the fire going as we settled into our temporary home under the sky for the next couple of days. The campsites are private with lots of shade, and the ablution facilities are quite good with loos and showers. Hot water is also available. As dawn breaks, we go on our first game drive with anticipation. The first to greet us are the majestic giraffes. The landscape changes as we encounter the ancient baobab trees in their massive trunks, bearing witness to the thousands of years that these trees have been around. The baobab forest in Blouberg Nature Reserve is one of the park's most distinctive features. These upside-down trees are reservoirs of life, and their hollows are home to many creatures, and their leaves are a source of nourishment and healing. The trees stand prominently on the northern plains, adding to the diversity of the reserve's bushveld savanna. This park boasts 5 different veld types: Tamboti woodland, fig forest, and the prominent baobab trees. As we headed to the hide, we hit a bit of a snag. We got stuck in the sand, and the car sank in so much sand it could not move forward. Although we had been warned to reduce our tire pressure, we decided to ignore this advice. Luckily, we had a shovel with us, which we used to dig ourselves out. My husband dug us out while I was on the lookout for any lurking predators. We eventually made it to the hide. It was absolutely worth the trouble. The open-air ablution is testament to the raw beauty that surrounded us. This underground hide is a unique feature that allows visitors to observe wildlife discreetly and safely. It is designed to blend into the natural environments, and it provides an unobstructed view of the animals as they come to drink water at the waterhole. The hide is strategically positioned to maximize wildlife viewing opportunities. This underground hide is also part of the reserve's effort to provide immersive wildlife experiences while minimizing human impacts on the natural behavior of animals. It's a place where you can quietly witness the daily routines of the reserve's inhabitants, making it a highlight for many visitors. The first to show up to the party were the Nyalas, which showed up for a drink. They knew we were there, but they couldn't see us. So they were just a bit jumpy and a little bit jittery. But you can see that they knew we were there. And then the giraffes came to drink too. This was by far the highlight of our day, watching these magnificent animals drink. Giraffes are fascinating animals with unique behaviors that reflect their adaptability and intelligence. They live in groups called towers and they are non-territorial. They can be found in groups of up to 20 individuals. Communication among giraffes is quite sophisticated. They use various sounds including humming, hissing, and mooing to communicate with each other. Despite their size, giraffes are generally gentle animals and rarely attack unless they feel threatened. When it comes to drinking water, giraffes have an unusual method because of their height. They must first spread their legs and bend down in an awkward position for them to reach the water. Because giraffes have very long necks, bending down to drink water makes them susceptible to attacks because they cannot see what is going on around them. Animal predators can quickly grab the giraffe's neck and crush it, and human poachers can get a better aim as well. They really want some water. You can see that they want some water. But they have to make sure that it's absolutely safe for them to drink the water. So they have to make sure that there are no predators around. There we go. There we go. There we go. Finally, they feel safe enough to drink water. The hide was great for game viewing. It's also an excellent spot for bird watching, thanks to the large selection of trees that attract a prolific bird population. The hide offers a chance to study birds and animals at close range, which can be a thrilling experience for both bird watchers and wildlife enthusiasts. As the sun dipped, we wrapped up our day and headed back to camp. The Blouberg Nature Reserve is also home to the largest breeding colony of Cape vultures in the world, with more than 1,000 breeding pairs. We unfortunately were not able to see the vultures, but we hope to see them next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.